So here we have an extra large cutting board. It's 16.6 inches and it's made out of bamboo. This cutting board is designed for kitchens and it has a juice groove and handles. It can be used for chopping for meat, cheese, or heavy duty serving tray. This particular size is extra large, which is 17.6 inches by 12 inches wide. Long-lasting service is because it's made out of bamboo. Not only can it last a long time, but take whatever beating you give to it. And being that it's softer than your knife, it will not damage your knives. Groove around the edge catches any excessive juices or liquids during food prep to keep the kitchen nice and clean. With built-in side service handles, it can be used as a serving tray and can be carried for things like cheese and bread. So the maintenance is pretty easy because it's made of bamboo. It doesn't absorb stains from your food unlike other cutting boards. Just a simple washing and a monthly treatment with oil will help preserve this board of your bamboo for many years to come.